Packaging matters a lot when it comes to selling your products. This is because people gauge the quality of a product by taking a good look at its packaging. If packaging design makes a good first impression on them, they are likely to buy the product. So, a label on the product is not just for providing some details and legal information. It's more than that. It helps people take a buying decision. Marketers now believe that a good packaging design has a ripple effect on people. Once a person has found a packaging beautiful, he or she is likely to take its photo and share it with friends on social media. This triggers a sharing chain and thousands of people are able to have a look at the packaging. In this way, a packaging becomes a tool to take a product to increasing number of people. Businesses depend a lot on packaging design to make a lasting impression on customer about the quality of their product. Customers are first attracted by the packaging design of a product, even though customers' loyalty towards a brand is largely determined by its usefulness and quality. This brings us to the importance of packaging design and the design trends. Like other trends, packaging design trends too are constantly changing, and we should be aware of what colors, shapes, symbols, lines, etc. are in circulation at present. As a creative designer, you would like to follow your own style. Still, trends give you an indication of what is currently being used in the industry and which design elements will be useful to follow in your personal designs. Here are top 7 inspirational packaging design trends for 2020. 1. Simple, clear, and bold designs. Packaging designers have been emphasizing on creating simple and clean designs, which people can understand instantly. Such uncluttered designs are useful in sending out a brand message successfully to target audience. The designers understand that using minimal elements in a package design will elevate product. Shoppers do not have much time in a fast-paced world. So, you have only a few seconds to make an impact on their minds with the help of an attractive packaging design that they see first while choosing a product. A clean-cut design will surely convey a clear brand message. 2. Custom lettering. Designers are creative people. They love to say things in their own unique way. They are most likely to go for custom lettering to give a feeling of warmth and raw energy. Custom lettering includes elements like irregular lines and natural texture. This type of unique lettering helps in making a product stand out and breaks the traditional trend of using digital designs. Since the hand lettering creates a feeling of wholesomeness and that of a handmade product, which creates a feeling of nostalgia. We believe that the hand lettering trend is here to stay for a long time in creating nice label design. 3. Splashing colors around. Another fast-developing trend for packaging design is the wild use of colors. We know that colors evoke emotions and are responsible to an extent for purchasing decisions. Lately, packaging designers have been using colors in exciting ways. They are incorporating bright colors with vibrant shades to make packaging attractive for customers. The designers are also using colors to show the difference between variants of a product. This way, customers can immediately identify a particular variant of a product without going through all the range. 4. Repetition. Repetition has its own place in creating amazing graphic designs. You can notice this pattern everywhere in many designs from the past and present. In product packaging design, repetition of beautiful patterns has become a fad. Repetition of a visual motif has a purpose of creating a strong brand message. So, for building a strong brand identity, the designers create bold or playful pattern depending on the personality of brand. 5. Build narrative. Packaging design should not be a dry use of colors or elements. Instead, it must convey some story/message about the brand so that the customers can instantly connect with the brand. For this purpose, graphic designers have started to incorporate illustrations to build a narrative. Some designers use a storytelling technique of illustration for telling a brand's story. The illustration is content-rich and gives the customer a taste of forgotten stories. 06 Pastel colors. Calming colors have already made a comeback and they are likely to continue to be used in 2023 for design of packages is the new trend, which means that pastel colors will see a resurgence. Such soft colors give the impression of being neutral and are just the other side of the explosive and bright colors. So far, packaging designers continue with the use of bold and bright colors. They now want to look different by giving a pale effect to the product packaging. This also helps in giving a warm and candid aura to the product. Such a design is able to convey a message of warmth to the potential customers. 07 Unique shapes. The designers are experimenting with the packaging shapes as well. They want that a product should catch the eye of the potential customers immediately. So, they are creating unique shape of packaging that looks different in a shop. For example, a juice product has a packaging in the shape of standing bamboo. Or, a birdseed product can have a packaging design that depicts feature of a bird face such as a beak and eyes. Such a packaging design may look extreme, but it is a new trend to draw people's attention. These types of designs speak for the product loudly and clearly. All you need to do is to stick your company logo on it. Customers will quickly come to know about the brand and what it is selling. So, these are the key packaging design trends that are most likely to rule in 2020. Many of these trends come from the past years and they continue to hold their place. It may be that an entirely new trend may emerge. We will keep you informed about that. Meanwhile, if your product needs a new and unique packaging design, then you can trust Design Hill fully. This platform has hundreds of talented designers who will deliver graphic design services. All you need to do is to launch your packaging design contest on the site along with your design brief. In 1 or 2 weeks you will get a winning design that you can proudly have for your product. In case you do not find the design satisfactory, you can either move up to a higher pricing package and attract more designers to your contest or get your money back with Design Hill's 100% money back guarantee policy.